Hey guys, it's Jono here from Ecommerce SEO. Just want to go through something really quick today in this video, but we're finding with a lot of new themes coming out, a lot of developers, that there's little issues in some of these themes that you won't necessarily know are happening, and they can have a detrimental effect on your entire site and especially your SEO. So this one today I'm going to talk about is redirects. So if you've got a product and you want to change your URL, you might be for various reasons. You might want to change this section down here. You might want to put on add on a color. You might want to change the brand name a little bit. There are a number of different reasons. You might need to delete this entire product and create a new one. So you want to make sure that if you've got traffic running to that product, or you've got links going to that product page and collection pages as well, this happens on, that you want to maintain that the SEO power of that URL and also the traffic that's going there and any links, so you maintain that to your store. So if you just change, for example, if you just change this and you didn't add the redirect correctly, then you lose the power of that original URL. And if someone goes to that, or Google goes to that URL, it's going to show a 404 no page found, and that's not good. So luckily, what Shopify does, it actually now automatically sets this dialog box where you can tick this, and it'll automatically then create the URL redirect for you when you do that. The problem is we're finding on a lot of themes now that this actually doesn't work. And if you're just blindly going and setting this to the redirect and clicking save and not checking it, a lot of times on these themes, the redirect's not actually happening. Now, this one I haven't even checked. I don't know whether this is a new store we're working on. I don't know whether this is going to work. So I'm just going to add in the new section here, and I'm going to test it. I'm going to go save. And now what I'm going to go do is grab the old URL, which was this URL here, and I'm going to put it in my browser and see whether the redirect works. And it looks like it has. So this particular theme, this redirect works fine. But if it doesn't, this is how you need to do it. So I'm just going to put that one back. Many of you will already know this. You just need to go to Online Store, and you go to Navigation. And up here, just in the top left-hand corner, you've got URL redirects. And then you can see here, here is that redirect that was, actually that's a different one. We're going to delete that because I was playing around with that before. So this is where you can add in a manual redirect. So I'm just going to refresh that. And there's the one we've just done. It's just popped in here. So this is where you can check all your redirects and that they're working. So like I said, a lot of the new themes, you do the redirect and it won't show up here. So to do it manually, you just create new redirect, and then you'll add in your old URL. So I'm just going to do this now. I'm going to add in the new URL, the old URL there, and you only need to do it from the end of your core domain. So this could be collections, or it could be products like this. And then you're going to redirect it to the new URL we've created, which in this case was this one. Okay, so now you've ensured that URL redirects correctly to there. I'm not going to click save because I've already removed it from this one here. So click save, and then that will manually set up your redirects. So this is a really important page you need to know about in your Shopify dashboard. And so every time you do a redirect on a product or a collection, or even a blog page, you should come in here and double check manually that it's actually worked, because we see a lot of new themes, as I mentioned, not doing it properly. Okay, just a little quick tip. We'll talk to you later on. Thanks.